In this video, I'll show you how to set up Consent Mode v2 in Google Tag Manager. Start by signing into your Google Tag Manager account and open the container for your website. Next, make sure you already have a consent banner on your website that supports Google Consent Mode v2, such as CookieBot, Compliance, CookieYes, or another compatible consent management platform. After that, in Google Tag Manager, click Tags and review your existing Google tags, including your Google Tag, Google Analytics 4, and Google Ads tags. Now open each Google tag and make sure it uses the built-in consent settings. If needed, click Advanced Settings, then Consent Settings, and verify that the tag requires the appropriate consent types before it can fire. Next, click Preview to open Tag Assistant and test your website. Accept and reject cookies in your consent banner to confirm that your tags respond correctly based on the visitor's consent choices. Finally, if everything is working as expected, return to Google Tag Manager, click Submit, then Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Consent Mode v2 in Google Tag Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.